Your skincare just isn't effective anymore, but it's not your fault. As we age, our bodies produce less growth factors, which leads to slower regeneration and less growth. So our products are not going to have the same intensity that they once did when we were younger. And that is why I'm using the Tensage line by Biopelle. It contains growth factors and stem cell technology. The Intensive Serum 50 is perfect for moderate to severe signs of aging. It contains an SCA 50 biorepair technology with a high concentration of growth factors, good for cell repair, photo damage, and hyperpigmentation. Tensage Stem Cell Eye Cream has Cell Pro technology, proven to assist stem cell function, promoting new skin cells. Tensage Stem Cell Cream contains Cell Pro technology as well, but it also has antioxidants, retinols, and ceramides, so it is perfect for promoting radiant, firmer looking skin.